2005 Weathertron unit just started. No, wait, Weather King unit just started up. The model number is 10PJ. B. I'll just repeat the model number. Model number is 10PJB30A01. Serial number is 7087M33050939. See, it's very small, probably a 2-ton or 1.5 ton. See, it just started up. It's the 1995 carrier is still running. The serial number is 2395E200016. The model number is 38YCB0300. Now over here is the 2013 carrier. The serial number is 2313E16308. The model number is 25HCD360A500. And Fan 61618 is also videoed the 2005 Weather King before. It said small ream HVAC unit for the name, but yeah, it's actually a Weather King, not a ream. Although a ream does make Weather King. So yeah, the 2005 the Weather King unit, the 1995 carrier unit, and the 2003 carrier unit, and the 1995 carrier unit, the 2005 Weather King unit are running. Over and out.